Welcome to Diamond Printing Press. In this guide, we'll walk you through how to place an order online quickly and easily using our online system. Open browser and search for www.diamond-printingpress.com. Then access the official website. Once the page loads, log in using your company account number. After logging in, you will be directed to your customer dashboard. From the product list, select matte lamination 350 GSM as example. Here, you can view all the important details, including pricing, available quantities, guidelines, and product specifications. We recommend reviewing the guidelines carefully to ensure your design meets all printing requirements. You will also find our new option, Custom Dimension, where you can choose your own size based on your requirement. For special sizes, you can also send a price inquiry directly through the system. Once you're ready, click on Start Order. Now, before uploading, check these tips. 1. Create your design in AI Illustrator program. 2. All your fonts must be outlines D-curved. 3. Use 100% black color in your small fonts. 4. Send us CMYK files only. 5. Do not use Pantone color. 6. Resolution of images in your files must be 300 dots per inches. 7. Remove all the cutting margins. Now, upload your design files. Please make sure to upload both the front and back sides of your design. For best results, use vector files with proper bleed and crop marks. After uploading your files, click Next to continue. On the next step, you will see the Extended Services option. If no extra services are needed, simply proceed to the next step. Click on View More to see a complete summary of your order. At this stage, carefully review all details, including quantity, pricing, file uploads, and specifications to make sure everything is correct. Once everything is verified, proceed to confirm your order. Finally, you can place your order using your available credit limit. Alternatively, you also have the option to complete your order through online payment. After placing the order, you can easily track its status through your account dashboard, whether it is preparing in process or ready for delivery. You can also get reports for financial, and that's it. With Diamond Printing Press, ordering professional, hassle-free and fast.